Already, my second Catskills trip is about to start. गणपती बाप्पा मोरया. केवढं धुकं आहे माउंटन वरती, बाप रे. हो, 35. समोर डार्क स्काय दिसते. ह्या माझ्या लेफ्टला इट्स क्लिअर, बट समोर डार्क आहे एकदम. सो ब्युटिफुल. So I'm at Mountain Top Arboretum. The start itself is so pretty. I don't think so there's lots of people. But या रस्त्यावरचे घरं जी आहेत, they are so pretty. This is obviously past peak. What a great quote. To learn something new, take the path that you took yesterday. By John Burroughs. So look at all these hemlock trees. So pretty. भरपूर वेळेपासून I'm not shooting too much because I don't know why I'm not shooting. But खूप वेळापासून dense hemlock forest चालू आहे इथे. I mean it's called hemlock trail. I'm sure they had a reason for that. आणि या ट्रीच्या पलीकडे मला थोडंसं ऑकर कलर दिसतो. दॅट माइट बी द मार्श दॅट दे आर टॉकिंग अबाउट. नॉट 100% शुअर बिकॉज अजूनपर्यंत सायन्स नाही दिसलं आहे त्याचं काही. यप, दॅट इज द हिडन मार्श. So that is the hidden marsh, and त्यांनी एक थोडासा board walk केला आहे to observe any wildlife and stuff. I'm not sure if I'm gonna see any, but oh boy. I will tell you this, as much as I love hemlock trees and pine forests, they kind of are creepy a little bit. I'm like, how come I love it, and even then I they're dense usually, आणि त्याच्यामुळे असा काळोख तयार होतो त्यांच्यामध्ये. And usually it's like असं बाहेर आलं ना त्या ग्रोव्हमधनं की इमिजिएटली आय फेल्ट लाईक सो गुड. ओ सन, आय मीन आय गेस इट्स नॉट अ फॉल्ट ऑफ हेमलॉक, बट it's the awesome power of sun. हे किती विरळ झालंय. दिस वॉज सपोज टू बी डेन्स. सगळी पानं त्याची ॲक्च्युली बोलता आता ह्या क्षणाला विंड नाही येते, पण एक कपल ऑफ सेकंड्स अगो जो एक विंड गस्ट आली आणि किती पानं पडली, बाप रे. सो कधी कधी म्हणतात ना की एका दिवसात all the foliage is gone because of the wind. आणि असं वाचून we don't believe it, but when you see it you have to believe it, right? सो अजिबात कुठेही ग्राउंड दिसत नाही आहे. इट्स कम्प्लिटली कवर्ड. लाईक हे ट्रेलच्या बाजूला असे लॉग्स लावलेत, बट इफ दे वर नॉट देअर इट वुड हॅव बीन सो हार्ड to figure out where the trail is. Obviously the trail markers are there, which is a good thing, but still. Look how these trees, 3 trees are dancing around each other. So wow, this is 14,900 years ago. It's a bog ahe ha, and it's one of the 2 oldest bogs left in Catskills. See, above you is a dense canopy of red spruce and eastern hemlock. So all this, जे मी नेहमी म्हणत असते, this is sphagnum moss. आणि so like the board stated, this is 14,900 years ago चा bog area आहे. I mean at the time bog area formed because of the glacial erosion. So almost 2 acres एरियामध्ये they formed like a bowl. आणि त्या बोलमध्ये सराउंडिंग वॉटर्सनी डिपॉझिट करून 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 they formed like a marshy area. आणि the sphagnum moss kept depositing itself आणि त्याचं पीठ तयार होतं. आणि पीठ इज एक्स्ट्रीमली essential for the conservation because ते कार्बन ट्रॅप करतं. सो in terms of like it's only 3%. त्यांनी म्हटलं आहे की 3% सध्या आहे. त्यांनी ॲक्च्युली म्हटलं की 12 feet आत्ता ह्या क्षणाला 12 feet बिलो माय surface the peat is there. So obviously that's all of that is going to absorb all the carbon, and eventually that's going to feed into this dense hemlock and spruce forest, which is unbelievable. मी एक सध्या बुक वाचते आहे which is on this guy visited all the national parks within a year, and त्याच्यामध्ये एक पॉईंट आहे की everything is connected to the other thing, right? It's nothing like if you lift one thing you lift the whole like entire other thing, and that's kind of like a little bit philosophical. जर सपोज म्हटलं की you improve yourself and you are improving this universe because you are an extremely integral part of that universe, right? So just by improving you, which is a tiny but a significant portion, you are improving this universe, which is magnificent. So this is a rare tree called as Dawn redwood. हे इथलं नेटिव्ह नाही आहे. I mean it was native but it got extinct, and then early 20th century मध्ये they discovered seeds in China, and from that they tried to recover it a little bit, आणि त्याचे थोडेसे samples आहेत. So this is in the conifer family, but this is actually a deciduous. So कॅलिफोर्नियाचे जे रेडवूड्स आहेत त्यांच्याशी रिलेटेड आहे, but this is not evergreen. सो ही तिथे 2-3 इथली झाडं त्या लेकच्या तिकडे लावली आहेत त्यांनी. आणि अनदर इंटरेस्टिंग थिंग इज ऑन दिस साइड हिअर देर इज दिस थिंग रॉक. हा बेडरॉक इज सम डेवोनियन एरा बेडरॉक. सो खूप बिलियन्स ऑफ इयर्स ओल्ड आहे हा. So that tells you that this land is like so old, right? I mean, obviously all land is old, but still it's amazing कि billion years old rock, it's exposed now. So pretty amazing. I'm sure like I've walked across this rock like several times but who knows that it's like from Devonian area, right? Devonian era, sorry. Yep. Pleety, pleety, pleety. So this is South Lake. Look at this house, old house. There's a lot of history in this Catterskills area because there was like a hotel here. So I'm not sure how old this is. It looks quite old. It's definitely not maintained. But pretty cool. Oh my god, Catterskills Falls म्हणजे जत्रा भरलेली असते. इतके लोक होते, लिटरली लाईनीने लोक होते. So I decided to skip the falls and instead do just the inspiration point. I'm not, maybe on my way back if crowd is in control, maybe I will take it, but otherwise I'm like not gonna. That's it. Nope, not doing that, especially in this pandemic stage. No. आता इथे अजिबात लोक नाही आहेत. नॉट अजिबात लोक नाही आहेत, समोर आहेत माझ्या. बट यू नो ॲज एक्सपेक्टेड इन ऑन अ ट्रेल. So दूर तिथे that is the off-road parking spot, but obviously now it's closed because of COVID. And that's the Lehman Monument that we saw last year. Okay. And no time to lose in this age because of pandemic. I don't want to stop anywhere. So ही ट्रेल आहे, मी तिकडून सरळ गेली होते. लास्ट टाइम पण मी सेम मिस्टेक केली होती. बट आय वॉज लाईक सो caught up in people. टेंटमध्ये बसून जेवण चालू आहे आज. बाहेर वारा आहे भरपूर. थंडी वाढत चालली होती अंगामध्ये. पावभाजी आहे रेडीमेड आणि माझा होममेड ब्रेड. चांगली पावभाजी, मीठ जास्त आहे. पण मी ब्रेड मध्ये मीठ नाही टाकले त्याच्यामुळे ठीक आहे. मेन्यू कोर्स 2. मद्रास लेंटिल्स आणि किनवा अँड राईस मिक्सचर कॉस्को मधलं. हा वाफ आली का बरं वाटतं किती. हॅपी दसरा. Tools, my darlings, please protect me, okay, and give me success. मस्तपैकी थंडी आहे. हॅपी दसरा. वाइल्ड दसरा. Hello, this is me. ओळखायला येत नसेल. It is so cold. मी ह्या एवढ्या सगळ्या लेयर्सच्या खाली पर्पल घातलंय पण ऑब्विसली दॅट्स नॉट विजिबल. Just starting on the North Point trail. First stop is Catskill Mountain House side. So yeah, खूप थंड आहे, खूप थंड आहे. I think today my camera is gonna shake so much because gloves घातलेत आणि कंट्रोल अजिबात होत नाही आहे. So we are at the Catskill Mountain House site. Ithun on a clear day it says it can be you can view Connecticut and Vermont. I'm not sure, today is obviously not a clear day. Or I can't make out what is Connecticut or Vermont. I think the river that you see, it might be Hudson. So yeah, ह्या साईटवरती देर वॉज ए हॉटेल. सो त्या एरामध्ये लाईक लेट 19th centuryमध्ये obviously because of railroad and everything, people were attracted to this location, obviously because of Catskills, and several presidents have stayed in that Catskill Mountain House. एक दुसरं पण हॉटेल होतं लॉरेल माउंटन हाऊस जिथून आपण कॅटरस्किल्स फॉल्सची ट्रेल चालू करतो. But that is no more, and so is obviously the Catskill Mountain House. But they marked the site just for historical purposes. Pretty cool. काय मस्त व्ह्यू दिसतोय. Now I'm like, I don't know why I did not think of coming here for sunrise. It's completely, yeah, that would have been a wonderful, wonderful scene. Like आताच केवढा, it's like vast. Like I know दूर डोंगर दिसतायत, like खूप दूर, and it's so beautiful. आणि हेच बऱ्यापैकी हाईटला आहे. So according to Catskill Mountaineer, this is the original artist's rock. So आता trees भरपूर वाढलेत, but that is the site of the mountain, the Catskill Mountain site. But obviously at this point, it's not labeled as any artist rock. Artist rock is labeled as something which is ahead. I think हा ledgeवरती आली मी आता, त्याच्यामुळे it's gonna be same view for quite some time. Pretty the flat चालली आहे ट्रेल. I think I'm coming upon Artist's Rock. So हा जो दिसतोय खाली, that is North South Lake. आणि त्याच्यावरचा जो पीक दिसतोय, I'm not sure which one of them is the Catterskill High Peak, but one of them should be. This is kind of like an off trail. दगडावरचे कार्विंग बघा, हे 1992चं आहे. मुरावस्की. CS 84. There looks like a bunch of dates here. 1900. ऑलमोस्ट एका रिजवरती चालली आहे मी, बिकॉज त्या साईडला आय कॅन सी द व्हॅली अँड ऑब्वियसली देयर इज अ व्हॅली ऑन माय राईट ऑल्सो. सो ऑलमोस्ट लाईक रिजवरती चालली आहे. So this is State Recreation Facility boundary. I'm not sure. Okay. So हा असा रॉकच्या साईडनी चालली आहे. I'm not sure if this is Sunset Rock or not. I love these giant boulders. Love them. Wow. So I think this is the top one looks like sedimentary rock and the bottom one looks granite. For so many times I want to learn, especially when I'm like traveling like this, I want to learn what all these rocks mean, right? But it's like if I'm trying to search for like YouTube videos, most of them are like so dense that they're practically useless. I mean, it's not like beginner level. See, अशी खडी खडी आहेत, राईट? त्याच्यामुळे मला असं वाटतंय की those are sedimentary rocks. But who knows? What do you think that sign means? Happy couple resides here. Happy couple died here because the heads are kind of smashed. Look at that rock. Amazing, right? Okay. So I'm at Bear's Den / Sunset Rock. So the same north-south lakeचा जो व्ह्यू पाहिला आपण थोड्या वेळापूर्वी from a little bit higher point of view. So pretty. Pitch pines. So look at this. TJ rocks में म्हणत होती की those might be sedimentary. The top looks granite. So I'm sure there's like a mixture of rocks going on here. But same as like Gertrude's Nose at the top where you have like several, boulders kind of thing. I guess because I didn't go at the bottom of Gertrude's Nose. Like see, इथून I don't know if camera मध्ये येते because it's dark. At the top it's plain. See, that's granite. And the bottom I see a lot of like rocks embedded within the rock, like smaller rocks. Pebbles. I'm not sure if that's possible with granite. Maybe it is. Okay, I have to turn back. Okay. So just after the Bear's Den / Sunset Rock, we have a climb to Newman's Ledge. It's 0.2 miles. Okay, let's do this. एकदम एजनी चाललोय आपण ट्रेल आय मीन okay, there's another ledge coming up. I'm not sure if this is Newman's or wow. So we are going up there under the GoPro, but that's the trail. So kind of like illustrating मी completely या एजवरती चालली आहे ही ट्रेल कधीपासूनची आय मीन फ्रॉम स्टार्ट बट पूर्ण झाडी असल्यामुळे लक्षात येत नाही की आपण एवढ्या एजवरती चालतोय Ooh, a nice pine forest. So I'm at the junction for Badman's Cave. So north point इथून apparently 0.8 miles है. And that's the trail. So we are at Badman's Cave. So apparently in the early century people used to like smuggle here, which seems weird because there's no protection. I don't even know. It's like not even a cave. It's just a ledge. Must not be super awesome super brilliant criminals, I guess, right? There is no protection. No protection from any elements. Obviously, you can't hide here. Weird. Like what the ledge hai. It's a ledge, that's it. It's a beautiful ledge though, right? North Point. So that, although that must be the Artist Points and Newman's Ledge and all those. So at the junction, me Thunali, that's Ledge Falls, and now onwards, first Ashley Falls, and then campground. I shouldn't say campground now because it's not campground anymore. It's just a parking spot. Oh, I wish there was camping tonight also, so that. But काल रात्री मज्जा आली, खूप थंडी होती. I'm almost there. Not almost there. But Ashley Falls नंतर मला एवढं टेन्शन नाही आहे. Because it's like, you know, so close to the parking lot. The reason why I was nervous about Ashley Falls is that Ashley Falls, on the top of the Ashley Falls, black bears love the top of the Ashley Falls, it seems. So I don't want to be there around dusk time. So त्याचा माझा तेच प्रयत्न होता की whatever happens I have to cross Ashley Falls, like, you know, in broad daylight. Okay, so that's my drink timer. Ashley Falls. सरळ तासलेले दगड आहेत, सरळ तासलेले दगड. So pretty. Look at this, almost straight lines, right? एकदम सरळ lines आहेत. Like if this was shown on, like, you know, pyramids or something, they'll start, oh, aliens made those. But no, this is just Mother Nature.